fear is also a way of receiving. Most of you don't know when you received a negative prophecy. You didn't receive it by saying I received it. Fear is like opening your door and saying any spirit can come in. Many people have received not just by faith. We have been taught that the only way to receive is by faith. There is a way you receive by fear. So when the devil manipulates dreams and makes things look like you are finished, it's a proposal he's giving you. He's using fear to force you to receive and give access to the manifestation of a prophetic word. Do you know how many people whose death has been prophesied for many years and they have refused to die? Come on now, talk to me. You know how many people, and those who saw it were not lying. They saw their death and they announced it. But one thing they did not know is when you understand dominion. Isaac was educating Esau that prophecy only comes to pass if you do not understand the mysteries of dominion. You know what is the mystery of dominion? Let it happen in earth as it is in the heavens. And it is by laws that heavens are regulated. Even salvation is not imparted by force. Why will a cause be imparted by force? It doesn't matter who prophesies to you. If you don't receive it, you believe me,